Hey everyone, if you have reordered and customized your Photos app but now you want to reset the options previous state, so I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, you have to search for Photos app on your iPhone and tap onto it, and then scroll down to the bottom, and here you can see utilities media types, but you have to click on this customize and reorder option. Just tap onto it, and now you can customize and reorder your options from here, like recent days, media types, etc. And if you want to reset it directly, then you can see the at top left corner here the reset option. So just have to tap onto it and it will be resetted successfully. So that's it, this is as simple as that. So now you know how to reset your Photos app on your iPhone. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.